guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pritha. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, as you know, I'm currently in Bombay and this is going to be a fun vlog because I'm going to meet Sayukta, my friend from UK. This is so cute. How are you? Long time.
Like this, I came directly from the show.
You look pretty anyway. Forget about it.
We are home. Morning coffee by Sayukta. What is this called?
Biscuit Amboda.
Wow. Trying something new. Guys, just look at this. Juniper और Sayukta का conversation.
Excuse me, where did you bite me? Why did you bite me?
प्यार कर रही है अब काट के तुम्हें. So guys, now we are going to do the most Bombay thing ever, and that's go for a Pilates class. And who's coming along, Junie? Hi, Gigi. You're going to do Pilates?
Yeah, we are going to do Pilates. Our Pilates is just stretch and sleep.
Best.
Be lazy.
And guys, this is the first time I'm going to try Pilates, so only Sayukta can make me try all the firsts.
Ready? One, two.
मेरे से लेना.
How many of the form size and
I'll give a count. Okay, but you have to stretch it completely. So 1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
6.
41, 42, 43, 50, 51, 52, 50.
Guys, we just finished with Pilates and it was super fun. And like the trainer has trained Janvi Kapoor and he's trained us.
He is amazing at what he does.
Yeah, imagine Janvi Kapoor's trainer training us. We are stars.
Janvi Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan too.
We are stars, guys, stars. We're going to Film City now. It's my first time actually. I've never been to Film City in Bombay.
So this is gonna be like a top view जहाँ पे तुम्हें sets and all दिखेंगे.
We've come to see the view, but police is saying no. कुछ हुआ होगा.
दादा कुछ हुआ क्या?
Guys, अभी to enter the Film City, the police was like, actor हो क्या आप लोग? And Sayukta's driver very easily said yes, actors. He didn't lie, we are born actors. एक दो झूठ तो हम लोग भी बोल सकते हैं. My daddy is gonna be very happy seeing this video. Where's Anupama said, bro? Anupama, where are you?
एक shoot कर रहे हैं शायद.
नीचे है कुछ shot. Famous मंदिर.
जाऊ शकतो काका?
In every serial. This is the Big Boss वाला set. Big Boss का घर. She's not wanting to come.
Come, let's go to mama. चलो. We've reached home. चलो चलो चलो.
We're out again, and now we are going to Khao Gali in Borivali. It's rhyming.
Most of it's gonna be veg, but yeah. We'll let you
Chart.
know.
Chart is
Videos.
It's here, but nothing like Calcutta chart. Bro. You have to come to Calcutta for that. Now, guys, Sayukta is going to come. We're going to vlog food. So, guys, this is the street. These little stalls are there. Pura आगे तक. Waiting for our pani puri.
एक सिर्फ पानी के साथ और मीठा चटनी भी डालना.
Thank you, bhaiya. Cheers. This is dosa. I'm having suka bel.
Have you had cold cocoa?
What is cold cocoa?
Cold cocoa है. उसमें
Nuts तो
nuts नहीं होते.
First time I'm trying cold cocoa, bro.
It is very yum.
This is too good, guys. This cold cocoa is too good. It's like melted ice cream you're drinking.
Let me take you while you're trying this.
It's yum. It's genuinely very yum. Sayukta has become a part-time vlogger.
Yay!
Guys, now we are eating gola because it's a Bombay street thing.
Try.
Is it good?
It's yum.
Kala khatta and orange.
It's so yummy. They're a little thick consistency, but so good.
Yum. Pilates has gone for a toss. Thank you.
Pool in areas.
Whoa, guys. Amazing. Guys, soya chap का size देखो. How is it?
Yummy.
We've come for a late night drive in Bombay and look at the streets, bro. Marine Drive at night is a vibe. We are here for dessert.
एक mango cream, एक strawberry cream.
My god, this is yum. Guys having boost in Bandra at 2 a.m.
Told you.
It's a Bombay thing.
Told you I'm gonna take you.
So it's the next morning. We are ready and out in Bandra for breakfast, like a brunch, to the very famous. We have come to Bene, which is trending right now for South Indian food. And here is Sandy, and we've worn kurtis, and we are in an Indian wear. So fun day. मतलब सुबह से शाम आज packed है, packed bro. The dosa is here. This is my favorite 30 podi. It's good. So here at Sabko, Mary Lodge. I've got my coffee. Sandy, where's yours?
Getting.
Having home food, my favorite aloo, dal and chawal. And now we have come to Sayukta's Nani's house, Aji's house.
मैं काम कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
Let me do that.
Such a cute, this is a nani ghar thing, no? Dang. Even my nani used to make.
This is batata chikappa.
Okay.
Like potato like
Fritters.
fried
Yeah.
potato. Not fried, like talo fried potato.
This is the first time I'm eating this.
And this is jackfruit ka veg. So Nani was telling, Nani got a तुला कोणी सांगितलेलं 3 वेण्या घालून जायला.
What's the secret of the hair? क्या लगाते हैं ऐसा तेल?
शिकेकारी shampoo.
शिकेकारी?
सोप. शिकेकारी सोप.
Soap. Bye. So sweet, so sweet. Going to meet Sandy's grandparents, Dadi Dadu. And today's their anniversary, so we're taking a cake. Now we're flower shopping here.
It has getting me flower.
Yeah, we don't need men.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So this is Sayukta's Dadi Dadu.
Happy anniversary to you.
Aji and Aju. Happy anniversary to you. Now we're all dressed up and Sandy and I are going to Bastion at the top. It was one of the places on my list since a very long time. The paneer is here, our drinks are here, and Sandy's here. I love the vibe. I love truffle fries and they have the best here. The vlogger is here, Sayukta. Just look at our dessert. It is yum, yum, yum. Look at this. Where will I get this treatment?
If men won't, I will.
Guys, I don't know how we are functioning, but with 4 hours of sleep, we are back at it again because the list is long and the time is short. So we have to make the most of it.
You should have been here at least for like 10-15 days to cover it all with rest.
मैं एक काम करती हूँ और जॉब छोड़ के बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो जाती हूँ.
Most welcome.
Sandy can only be so nice and convincing कि हाँ कर लो. Anyway, guys, so now we are again going to Bandra because it's one of my favorite places.
Spots to
with
hang out.
Good breakfast, good shopping, and today's focus is shopping, guys. Where are we, Sandy?
Scarlet House. It's Malaika Arora's restaurant and I'm so excited to try it because I've heard so much about it but never been. But today we were like, let's have brunch, let's do a brunch.
And it's a very Goan area, bro. It feels like we are in
Arambol Beach.
Cheers. It looks so good. Sandy's eating Frankie. I'm eating chicken and rice. And now we're going
We kind
for
of
shopping.
spend overtime in here.
Yeah, Sayukta
pictures
took 1 million hazar
Yeah.
photos. We've come to Ranbir Kapoor's store. We've got caps. Is it good? Guys, all this is what is done. और सामने भी पड़ा हुआ है. Sayukta, na weird things, bro. Weird things. Before I end this vlog, I just want to give a big thank you and a hug, virtual hug, to Sayukta, her mom, her dad, the entire family, all her friends. Like, it was the most special time that I've spent in the couple of last few days in Bombay, and thanks to them, they like made me feel home away from home. So yeah, thank you guys, and hope you guys like this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.